Next tool on our list now is Xspy. I don't know if you've heard of Xspy before. Well, by the name, you should know what it's related to. These tools I've been mentioning here are really, let's say, self-explanatory because of how the name comes. Terminator, phoneinfoga, witnessme. Yeah, I think they are self-explanatory. So let's dive into Xspy. It's a wonderful tool. Actually, it's a wonderful tool. And what does Xspy do is, like, via the name you should know that it's a spy already. It's trying to spy into someone's computer or something related. What Xspy does is to actually get logs of what's happening on the computer, key logs majorly. Now, what can we say Xspy is? Xspy is in the category of sniffing and monitoring. Earlier before, witnessme in the category of reconnaissance, information gathering, and bug bounty. Phoneinfoga in the category of open source intelligence. Terminator in the category of terminal emulator. So each of these tools I've been mentioning to you actually have their categories in ethical hacking and penetration testing. So I'm breaking it down to the easiest terms for you to understand the categories and what they actually do. Now, Xspy is a pre-installed tool that passively monitors keystrokes and GUI activities from the X server. It can show what another user is typing or clicking in real time, making it useful during local reconnaissance or multi-user systems. Now, what happens is that when you have a lot of users connected to one system, a multi-user system, you can use Xspy to monitor what other people are typing and get logs, keystrokes, you get. So let's quickly go into Kali machine to see what we're talking about here. Now we're here on Xspy, and to run the command, you have to type it Xspy. I'm gonna type the link to download it, the Git link to download it in the description. So check the description if you want to. And if you're watching this video up to this extent, please thumbs up for the video. Thanks. Hit the subscribe button. Now, this is the command to run the Xspy. As you know, most of the tools in Kali are run by, okay, if Xspy is not installed on your Kali machine, normally it's a pre-installed Kali tool. But if you type Xspy like this and it's not installed, you hit enter, it should show you, do you want to install Xspy? It should show you something like that, and then you're gonna say yes, Y, that is Y, letter Y, and you hit enter. And when you hit enter, it's going to start the installation process. So I'm going to type the command to install Xspy on your Kali machine. If it's not available on your Kali machine, in the description. Thanks. So this should work. Xspy. And now let's see what this is. Alright, so it's open actually. Now it's going to be observing for anything that is happening in the system. Just watch anything I'm typing. If there were other users, you would have been able to see it clearly, but it's only me right now. So, but still, get the point. Anything that's being typed now, it's live. It's like getting it in live, like real time. And I give a slash, and it writes a slash there, space, and it gives the space and put the colon, and it's semicolon, apostrophe, backspace, and even when I backspace, it backspaces. So attackers can use this, ethical hackers can use this, right? Yeah, this is a very useful tool in ethical hacking, and I advise you to clone and to add it to your Kali machine right away. Yeah, the next tool we have is NoMachine. What is NoMachine? NoMachine is in the category of remote access. Yeah, it's in the category of remote access. Remote desktop, remote access. NoMachine is a remote desktop application. Yeah, NoMachine is used to access your computer on another screen or someone else's computer on another screen, right? That should be it. It's used to access someone else's computer on another screen. It's a software. NoMachine is a remote access software, and like I said earlier, it's in the category of remote desktop / remote access. It's a remote desktop application that enables a secure and high performance access to a remote computer. It allows you to access your Kali Linux machine from anywhere with a graphical interface. Now, the reason I brought up this today is because some people might be looking for how they can mirror their Kali Linux machine to their Windows machine, and I specifically decided to use NoMachine for this particular video. And this video is being run on a Windows system, but my Kali machine is shown on my Windows system, and that is how you're even able to see it on the screen. First, let's get to installing NoMachine. Use the link. I'll still drop the link in the description. https Now, this link should redirect you to the site, and once you're in the site, you choose the package you're available for, whether it's Windows, Kali, 64-bit, then that's for that. Now, once you have the man, I wasn't showing the system. Really sorry. Kali. Alright, this link in the browser, the connection is bad. I'm gonna add it to the description below. It should be in the description below. So that link there will take you to the site to download NoMachine. And once you have NoMachine on your Kali operating system, once it's downloaded, you go to your terminal. Yeah, Terminator or your terminal, anyone you're using. I believe by now you should have Terminator. Once you're on your terminal, you run the following command: sudo this command. Now, this command followed by the name of the file that you just downloaded, and the name contains both the versions, so you should add everything. And once you hit enter, it gets installed and it starts running automatically, so you don't need to go and open a particular app to see the NoMachine. It's running automatically, and as it's running automatically, you can always check out the server. This top corner here, you can check out the connected users. And You can transfer a file, show the main window, show server status. Let's show the main window. So yeah, you can see. Yeah, you can see this now. So this is the Windows 10 computer where NoMachine, where my Kali is being viewed on, and I'm gonna show you how to do this on Windows. But doing this on Windows, you use the same link to download the Windows version. Then I'll show you something. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you how NoMachine works on Windows operating system. But first, you should understand that NoMachine is just strictly for remote desktop, remote access, and is easy to use, very easy to use, especially on Windows. So first, let me show you the Kali screen. This is what NoMachine is like on Kali. This is, yeah, I told you it automatically runs in the background. So opening the home screen or the main screen is more like, yeah. So aside that, I'm going to show you how NoMachine is on Windows. I told you earlier you have to go and download the software from the website. The link is in the description. Now that you have the software from the website, you install it. It's an installer file. You install it. Once it's installed, the shortcut should be on your Windows system. The shortcut should be on your Windows system. Yep, that's the shortcut there. It should be on your Windows system. So immediately you have to open it. You might have restarted the system after installation, but you open it immediately. Now once it's open, it's going to check your two computers have to be on the same network. So this is working for computers on the same network. It's going to scan. Once it's open, it's going to scan. It's going to scan for systems like available with NoMachine on the same network, or systems that have NoMachine on them on the same network with them as well. So once it's open, the scan is going to look like this. I'm going to show it should look like this. It should look like this. This is what it looks like, and it has made a scan and it finds my computer, my Linux computer. This is my Linux computer over here. This is my Windows computer over here. This is Windows, while this guy here is Linux. This guy is the Linux machine that I've been doing all those from. This is the Linux machine, while this is the Windows. This guy has scanned and has seen the Windows machine and the Linux machine, sorry. So I double click it all, click and tap connect. It's making an attempt to connect. Now you can log in as the system's user if you know the password, and you might choose to save this password in the connection file, but I won't do that. or you can also request as a guest for desktop sharing. Now let's see how the login as system user on this server is like. Alright, so it's connecting. While it's connecting, get a message from on my Kali system here, and boom, it's here. So what's happening here is that now anything I do here is reflecting even on my Kali machine. I can close this browser and it's closed. Open the terminal. Yep, it's misbehaving a bit. Yeah, I can close this. I can anything I do is be okay. Look at the NoMachine service that was open on the Kali. Now we can see everything just the same way. This is my Kali machine, just the same way. Now that is what NoMachine is used for. I really hope you learned something from this video today. Thanks for being on this show. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.